Hey guys, this is Swapna from INS TechSwap. Today we will talk about what is modem and what is router and what is difference between both modem and router. Let us say one by one. Let's see what is modem. Modem does exactly so modulation and demodulation of the network signal over the communication. Coming to the definition part of modem, modem is a connecting device that converts between analog and digital signals in time for two-way communication. For example, we have a device, say computer and internet, and we want to connect both them. So we will need a modem. Reason being that we have two digital and analog signals, but for communication, for we need to digital signal to be connected into the analog signal. Well, a modem does so by modulating and demodulating to the network signal. So this is about the modem. Let's see what is router. Router exactly does the meaning the routing. On definition part, we can say that the router is connecting device that forwards data packets between computer network, and it performs traffic directing functions, that is data packet is forwarded to its destination code. See, for example, we have a router in your home and different clients connected to the internet through router means clients means here your tablet or your mobile phone or your desktop, whatever it. So now router basically does it that it makes the routes to the every electronic device connected to it. Whenever we working a single device on the internet, it must not reflect on the other devices. So the router basically identifying from the request via the request of the send data packet to the tap destination code, the router disturbing the other devices connected to it. So the difference, the modem converts your digital to analog signal, vice versa. So it divides the incoming network lines to routers to routes connect different connectors connect to it. So the main confusion between modem and router, now it is come across the reason being. So the modem Wi-Fi routers we have also does it convert the signal and also route to signal. So that this is about a difference between the modem and router we have seen in the video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video.